Before I came to ETSU, I worked in building walk-in coolers in Greeneville. I went to Walter State for 3 years before transferring to ETSU. ETSU offered a 4-year program in respiratory therapy, and working in a factory just wasn't cutting it anymore. One of the requirements to get into the program was to shadow positions. I chose X-ray and then I chose respiratory therapy. And when shadowing in the two, respiratory therapy was more hands-on, patient involved, and that really is what sold it. In the last few years in the program, I've really developed a love for helping people and patients especially. It's very rewarding to know that going through the program and leaving it, I already have the security of a job. I don't have to go out and hunt for one, and I feel like it's because of the education I've received that's pushed me towards that. Having my wife and children come to my graduation is a real joy for me because I preach to them that even though life has its setbacks, that as long as you're willing to put in the work, you can accomplish anything. It seems like the 2 years I've been here at ETSU have flown by. It's crazy to believe that in just a couple weeks we'll be graduating and walking across the stage. Coming back to school, and especially ETSU, has been the best decision I've ever made.